In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grant admin and advertiser permission to a Facebook business page. To get started, log in to your Facebook account and head to your business page. You can usually find it quickly from the left side menu under your shortcuts. Opening the correct page first is important, because this makes sure you are managing the right business assets before you begin assigning access. Once you are on the page, look for Meta Business Suite in the left-hand navigation menu and open it. This is the main area where you can manage your page. Messages, content, ads, and team permissions all in one place. If the layout looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. Facebook and Meta sometimes update the design, but the general process remains very similar. Inside Meta Business Suite, click the gear icon to open settings. Depending on the version you are seeing, this icon may appear toward the bottom of the menu or closer to the top. Either way, you are looking for the settings area where business access and permissions are managed. From the sidebar menu, select Users and then choose People. This will open your team list, where you can see who currently has access to the business assets connected to your page. If you are adding someone new, go to the top right corner and click Invite People. Next, enter the email address of the person you want to add. Make sure the address is entered correctly, since the invitation will be sent there and the person will need to accept it in order to gain access. After that, under the Asset Assignment section, select the specific Facebook page you want this person to work on. This step matters if your business account manages more than one page, because it lets you control exactly which asset they can access. Now choose the level of permission you want to give. If the person only needs to help manage posts, comments, or messages, enable content access. If they need to run or manage advertising, turn on ads access, which gives them advertiser permission. If you want them to have full administrative access, select full control. This gives them broader authority, so it's best reserved for trusted team members only. When everything looks correct, click Invite to send the official access request. The person will then receive an invitation and can accept it to activate their permissions. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.